Today's tip goes out for kids aged between 4 to 6. Well, when they are in that age, they've fairly started going to some play school or some form of school that they go. So they have a bag for themselves, right? Putting their own bag, whatever they need to take to school, maybe a water bottle or a tiffin box, a few books handy, they can just put and arrange themselves into it, right? The second thing could be their own pencil boxes, the stationery kit that they carry, because they're very fond of it. They like using those colors, erasers and pencils and all. It really excites them a lot. So you can actually give it up to them and tell them, compartmentalize, like keep the pencils here, the erasers here, so that they get into the format of being more organized, right? And the last thing can be, when they are going to school, they are doing their own footwear, right? The shoes and the socks that they do, to wear it, learn it, to have it on their own, learn it up to do it on their own. And once they are back from school, to put it in the place where it's supposed to be placed. And, as soon as they come back, not throwing it here and there. So all these things going forward, I'm sure all of you, we can relate to this. A lot of older kids, just come having one shoe this side, having one socks at one corner, not having, you will have to pack up their lunch bags and everything. So when you start this and put this as a habit at this early age, automatically when they start growing up, this will become a regime for their own self, and they will start doing their work. Because at the end of the day, please understand, parents, mums or dads, mums in specific, that you are there with them for this while and you're doing it for them. But once they grow up, they will be on their own one day, and then they'll find really difficult and struggle to do even the very smaller things that they need to do in life. So this is the time where you need to start training your child to be independent, to start doing every little thing that is applicable to them, to do it at the age, so that going forward they don't struggle. And trust me, you're gifting them with something which they will thank you later always. So do let me know how these tips clicked with you and how much you relate to them, and how do you think are they useful. Do comment in the comment section whether you find them useful or not, and do share this with every parent that needs to know this and needs to incorporate the same. Until then, it's me, Neha, signing off. Bye.